Hi everyone! Paper, Scissors and Magic is here! And today we are gonna be creating Rainbow Friends pony customs. First of all, we have to get rid of all the hair and tails. Okay, the ponies are ready. Let's make blue first. I've painted the entire pony white and now I'm covering the whole figure with 2 layers of blue acrylic paint. Looks good! Time for the eyes. On this custom we should paint one very simple eye with a cross. And the other eye is gonna be a typical pony eye, which is way more difficult to make. This eye looks really cute. Now I'm painting the mouth black and adding some light blue for saliva. I've been thinking about a cutie mark a lot and decided to paint a scary smile with sharp teeth. Here we go! I'm forming a big bang out of air-dry clay, smoothing everything out. Then adding other parts of the hairstyle, attaching everything together. This job takes a while. And the final part, crown. I'm painting the hair and tail light blue, adding some highlights with lighter paint and sponge. And the last thing, painting the crown. Blue is ready! Time to make green! I'm painting the entire pony green. 3 coats are enough. And since it's done, I'm painting the eyes. The eyes are super simple on this custom and I love it. For a cutie mark, I decided to do some evil magic fire. So let's do it pink. I'm forming a spiky bang and attaching it to the head. And then adding some snaky shapes for the hair. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's make a tail. Again, I'm making a spiky shape that looks a lot like a bang, but it's a tail. And attaching it to the pony. I want green to be a unicorn, so I made a horn. Then I'm putting a tiny piece of clay into a pony's mouth to make a smile. I'm painting the hair and tail very bright green and painting the horn the same color I used for the body. Then I'm adding some highlights with a sponge. Now I'm painting sharp teeth for a smile. Here we go! I've already made a pair of extra arms for green, and now I'm gonna paint it and attach to the pony. I cut the wings so there is a space for them. And we're done! Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. See you with a new custom. Bye bye!